Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to log into my Cash App from another device. To begin, if you are already logged into Cash App on your old device, you'll need to log out first to avoid any login conflicts. Open Cash App on your current device, tap on your profile icon at the top right, scroll down and tap on Sign Out. This ensures that your account is no longer active on the old device. Once you have signed out, go to the settings on your old device. Tap on Apps or Apps and Notifications depending on your phone. Find Cash App in the list of apps, tap on it, and select Clear Storage and Clear Cache. This step clears any stored data associated with the app on that device. Now, move to the new phone where you want to log in. First, download and install Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store if it isn't already installed. Once the app is ready, open it. On the login screen, you will see options to enter your phone number or email address. Use the details associated with your existing Cash App account. Enter your phone number or email address and tap on Next. A verification code will be sent to your registered contact. Check your phone or email for the code and enter it in the app. Once verified, Cash App will log you into your account. If you already have a linked bank card or debit card, your account details will automatically appear. If not, you may be prompted to link a card at this point, but you can skip this step if you prefer to do it later. If you encounter any problems during this process, such as not having access to the phone number or email linked to your account, you can contact Cash App support for assistance. Explain your issue and they can help you recover your account details. That's it. By the way, if you want a smarter alternative to Cash App that works seamlessly across devices, I recommend Wise. I use it myself. Wise makes it simple to send and receive money with low fees, real exchange rates, and even offers free virtual and physical debit cards you can use anywhere. Right now, if you sign up through the link in the description, your first transfer up to $800 is free. Quick, easy, and free to get started.